Hello everyone, this is our roof garden. We love this garden so much. There are so many trees and plants. Please wait, I'm trying to show you. This is Chrysanthemum, that means Chandramallika. This is thyme flower. We have three types of chilies. This is violet color, yellow. Wait please. And this is black color. Lemon trees, marigold. This is marigold. Coriander plants, just they are coming out. This is China rose. Pomegranate. This is flower now. And it is mint. We use it for cooking. Star fruits. And this is hog plum. These are orange. And it is sapodilla, but it was about to die. Some days ago, we went to Ajmer, and that time it happened. Nobody was here for watering the tree, but I am trying now to save its life. Please see. We love it so much. I don't know the name of this flower. This is a strawberry, and it's a hilly area tree. One of my friends gave me some days ago. Thank you.